everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. Ever wonder what's coming to you this coming Burr months, September, October, November, and December? Well, I've got you covered. We will see what's coming to you in the next 4 months before 2023 ends. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely, but if you're looking for a private reading personalized to your unique situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant, whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. I've been using Keen for more than 6 months now, and Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need clarity. I remember one of my favorite psychic tarot readers predicted that I will get myself into a business before the year ends, and it's currently happening now and things are doing well with it. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99, which is up to $99 in savings. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading that you could ever have online. Imagine that's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already for a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aries, let's see what's coming to you ngayong Burr months ng 2023, September, October, November, December. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Maari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, Aries, you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let us see what's coming to you ngayong Burr months for Aries. So, for September, okay, may octopus. Ayan. October is lava. November is elephant. And December is sage. Okay. So, ang octopus, magiging busy kayo. Oo. Ngayong September. Very busy. Maaring merong multitasking. At, di ba yung octopus, marami siyang galamay. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin nun, kahit na nagmo-multitask ka, kaya mo siyang i-handle. No? Kaya mong i-manage. You are also being more creative. So, maaring meron ka mga sisimulan na mga bagong pagkakakitaan, pagkakaabalahan, na isasabay mo sa iba pang bagay na ginagawa mo na mahalaga sa'yo. Oo, tingnan natin justice. Oh, kaya mong i-balance, 'di ba? Justice is about bringing balance into your life, equality and balance. So, for as long as kaya mo siyang i-handle, i-manage, walang problema kasi kayang-kaya mo yang mapagtagumpayan lahat, 'di ba? Also have the Hangman. So, sinasabi lang dito na kailangan nyo raw na magpahinga kapag mga panahon na pagod. Oo. Kailangan you also know when to stop. Na kapag, pagod ka or medyo burned out ka, nade-drain ka na, then magpahinga ka, 'di ba? And also meditate. Kasi the Hanged Man is also about meditation. So pagdating naman ng October, lava. Lava is about courage. Ayan, lakas ng loob. Maaring meron kang mga susubukan, no? Na never mo pang na-try before. Halimbawa, takot ka ng mag-bungee jump o mag-skydive. So, ngayong October, susubukan mo mag-skydiving. Yung mga ganon. Yung mga medyo risky pero exciting na activities. Yan. Pwedeng gagawin mo yan ngayong October. And this is also about your determination. So, determinado ka na maabot yung mga goals mo. For as long as you are passionate about it, definitely makukuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. You have the Eight of Swords. May mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo no? Nasa isip mo na lang yon. Kasi ang Eight of Swords is overthinking. Pero kayang-kaya mo naman kung tatanggalin mo yung limitation na yan, yung self-limiting beliefs na yan. Let's see, ano pa? Ace of Cups, magugustuhan mo to. Pwedeng bagong hobby, bagong inspiration, bagong mapagkakaabalahan, bagong trabaho, bagong business. Yung iba sa inyo, posibleng bagong relationship, no? Na iniiwasan nyo, sinasabi nyo na, hindi ko kaya yan, o hindi mo kaya, or ayaw mo, pero maaring merong maging very, determined, no? Determinado na mag-offer ng love para sa'yo, na hindi mo na kayang tanggihan. You also have the elephant. So, this is November. Ayan, ang elephant, this is about an earth energy to So, mas magiging practical ka pagdating ng November kasi mas marami ng gastos. And also, this is being majestic. And alam mo rin kung paano pangalagaan yung sarili mo. And medyo pagiging magarbo in a way na dinideserve mo. So, maaring meron kang celebration na gagawin or pwedeng sa sarili mo or sa family mo na alam mong dinideserve mo or ng kung sino man na mahal mo sa buhay. You have the Moon. This is your intuition and your instinct and also your dreams. Yung iba sa inyo, lagi nyong iniisip kung ano pa yung pwede nyong subukan. Ano pa yung mga pangarap nyo, lalo na yung mga childhood dreams ninyo na hindi nyo na-pursue. Diba? Speaking of dreams, you have the Star. Wish coming true. Oh my gosh. So, pagdating ng November, meron kayong wish related to sa mga dati nyo pang wish nung bata kayo. Yung deepest desires. Ayan. Na matutupad ngayong November. And you will feel na parang, ito na pala yun. Ito pala yung time na pinakahihintay ko, ganon. So, pagdating naman ng December, meron kang Sage. This is about purification, grounding, harmony, and cleansing. So, maaring mag-general cleaning ka sa December. Usually naman ganon, diba? And, pwedeng literal na general cleaning. Pwede rin namang mental, spiritual, emotional cleaning, no? Pag-release ng mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa iyong pag-unlad, sa iyong paglago. Yung iba sa inyo maaring may ika-cut off na tao sa buhay nyo, diba? Seven of Wands, you are going to set boundaries. Na alam mo na yung iba tinitake advantage ka. Five of Swords, yes. Iiwasan mo na yung mga taong nagbibigay lang ng drama ng issue sa buhay mo. Para sa'yo, importante na yung mga taong makakasalamuha mo bago matapos ang taon, yung mga taong gusto mo lang. Hindi yung mga taong pinipilit mo lang na pakisamahan. Ninth house, exploration. O, maraming adventure for you ngayong Burr months. Pwedeng may travel opportunities for you. Pwede ring meron kang mga bagong pag-aaralan, bagong kaalaman, i-discover. Ooh, wow, you have the Jupiter. Abundance. This is exploration, expansion, mga blessings, no, na parating sa inyo. Meron talaga kayong isi-celebrate. A great event, a big event. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.